Our Sunday market review is here. My name is Kofi, your admin for Leading Forex YouTube channel. Thanks to all subscribers. I appreciate the love. Today, we're going to look at forecast or maybe analysis, or if you want to call it signals that you can probably trade when the market opens for this week. So the analysis is going to be simple and straightforward. So let's go straight to the screen and see what we have. Now, this is what the screens are telling us. Now, before we even look at this week, it will be good and fair for us to look at what happened last week. But before we go to what happened last week, let's look at the calendar or what the news calendar for this week. So let's go to this week. Today is Sunday, the 7th day of the month, May, the year 2023. I'm giving you the date because I don't know when you will be watching this video. Okay, so look at it. This week, which is 7th, let's look at what we have. Today's Sunday, we have nothing. I think we only have one monetary policy meeting minutes, and the impact is very low. Tomorrow is Monday, 8th of May. Tomorrow is going to be a holiday in UK. So in the UK will have a holiday tomorrow all day. And then all day Euro, French bank holiday. So in France, there will be a holiday as well. So these are the two holidays we have for tomorrow. And then I think that will be it for the week. There's no any other holiday for the week. Okay. Now, I want us to filter the news to the most important ones, which is the ones in red. Okay. Let's do the filtering and filter to get only the ones in red. I think they are the most important ones. Okay, let's put the holiday ones too. Okay, so I have just filtered the news, and this is what we have for the week. These are the most important news items coming in the course of the week. The ones in the red envelope are actually the ones which are very important. So when you see the red envelope here like this, they are the most important ones. I mean, they are important because they have high impact on the currency that we will be trading. So for instance, these ones here, the CPI have high impact on the US dollar. And then that is it. When you look at the BOE monetary policy report, so there's going to be official bank monetary policy rates, which is going to be on GBP. This one will be on Thursday. So on Tuesday, there will be nothing. Let me go back and start from Monday. Monday is a holiday. Apart from these two holidays, there's no any other important news. On Tuesday, there's none. But on Wednesday, we have CPI on USD. In my time, that will be around 12:30 p.m. I don't know what time it will be in your country. On Thursday, at 11 a.m. my time, which is GMT, I am in Ghana. So in Ghana here, 11 a.m. GMT, there will be monetary policy statement and also official bank rates on GBP on Thursday, May 11th. So we are expecting to see an increase, right? It used to be 4.25, and we are expecting to see an increase to 4.50. If you remember what I told you last week, I think you have a clue on this. And then on the same Thursday, we're going to have USD, core PPI monthly. It's also here around 12:30 my time. And then also on Friday, we're going to have inflation expectation on NZD, and then GDP growth on GBP, GDP growth on GBP. And then around 2 p.m. my time, there's going to be prelim UOM consumer sentiment on the USD. So these are the major news that will be coming in the course of this week. There are not many. If you look at what happened last week and what is going to happen this week, it means this week is a bit less in terms of the news that will be coming. Now, all these news have impact on the market, so take note. All right. Now, let's go to what happened last week, the forecast we gave, the signals we gave last week. Let's see how it turned out. So we are here. So last week, we used the trading view for our analysis. So this week also, we will use the trading view for our analysis. Now, last week, we gave a signal on Euro GBP, right? Euro GBP. So let's go look at it. Euro GBP. There was a signal on it last week. Okay, so let's see. Yes, there was. Here is it. Euro GBP, this is on the 4-hour time frame. If you look at it, the green portion is the direction we want to go. The red portion is our stop loss area. Now, if you look at from the entry point that I gave, Euro GBP went by almost close to our take profit. If you look at it from our entry, it made closely 70 pips. 70 pips. We gave it a take profit of 80 pips, but it didn't get to our take profit, and then it reversed and made its way back. So it hit our stop loss of 50 pips. So it came back and hit the stop loss of 50 pips. So it made 70 pips up and came down 50 pips. So in real sense, our stop loss got hit. One would say, would you have taken the 70 pips take profit, or you would have been a victim of the loss? This is a loss if we all want to be fair with ourselves. Although it gave us a straight profit of 70 pips, it came back and then gave us a loss. All right. So that is that on that one. So let me clear it. The next trade we gave was also on what do you call it? CAD JPY. CAD JPY. CAD JPY, we gave a sell, right? Yes, we gave a sell on CAD JPY. And I just don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say here. CAD JPY hit our stop loss, went all the way up to hit our stop loss, and then immediately it took us out of the market. It came back in our favor and went over 200 pips in our favor. From our entry point, if you look at the entry point, it went over 200 pips in our favor. But it went up there and took us out of the market first before reversing downwards to about 200 pips. So if you have watched my Forex psychology video that I just uploaded, I made mention of the fact that sometimes our stop loss, because there are big guys who trade on Wall Street, those who trade on Wall Street in the US, okay, for the professionals, I mean the professional traders on Wall Street, they wouldn't be crying over this because they would have given the trade enough room to operate. So maybe they wouldn't have had this loss, but we are not there yet. We don't have much money like they do. So we are forced to put tight stop losses, and at the end, we get affected. But this is also a fair loss. Although it came back in our favor, immediately it took us out of the market. It came all the way in our favor and gave us over 200 pips. We would have made over 200 pips profit, but that's it. So that is about CAD JPY. That's about CAD JPY. Which other trade did we take? We also had a trade on AUD JPY. Let's go look at it. AUD JPY. AUD JPY too. I think we went for a sell, right? Let's see. AUD JPY. It should come up now. Why is it not coming? Should I not pick? Yes, it's here. AUD JPY. AUD JPY also, from our entry, we took a sell. And from that sell, AUD JPY came in our favor almost 95 pips. It came in our favor 95 pips, almost 5 pips to hit our take profit. Almost hitting our take profit with about 5 pips to hit our take profit. And then it reversed and made its way all up. It's almost hitting our stop loss. It hasn't hit the stop loss yet, but it has almost hit the stop loss. It has almost. So this is also another scenario. It looks like we're not lucky this week. We're not lucky this week at all because we nearly got our TPs, but I don't know. And then the last trade has to do with NZD JPY. NZD JPY. NZD JPY. Let's go look at it. What happened? NZD JPY. Where are you? Okay, it's also here. The same scenario. This trade also came into profit almost, that's about 80 pips. 80 pips, it came into profit 80 pips. And then after 80 pips, it reversed backwards. And then currently it's in a loss as we speak right now, because it also says sell. So this week, no one knows, but this is what has happened. All the trades moved into profit, a minimum of 70, 80, 90, 95, and then reversed. None touched our take profit. None of them touched our take profit. Okay, it's fair. No problem with that. We'll take it that way. So these were the trades we took last week. So the fact is that none has given us the take profit that we wanted. Although they went massively into profit, none of them gave us our take profit. Now, what do we have for this week? This week, I have just maybe one trade or so. Let's look at it. USD JPY. USD JPY. This week, I want us to go for a buy. The trend, if you look at it, the trend of the market has been on the bullish side. The trend of the market has been on the bullish side. So if it has, sorry, let me put it back there. If it came back to the trend and respected it and it's making its way back up, I want us to give it a buy. Okay. I want us to give it a buy. So USD JPY, I want us to go for a buy because we are seeing a respect of the trend line. We are seeing a respect of the trend, which has just been held. So we want to go for a buy. So let's go for a buy. This is where the market ended. We want to go for a buy on this. So our stop loss is going to be 100 again. 100, 103, 102, 1000. So 100 stop loss, and our take profit to the same. 110, 19, 14, 99. 100 is what we're looking for, 100. Okay. So this is going to be this on the 4-hour. If I bring it to the 1-hour, maybe you will see it better. So on the 1-hour, this is what we are expecting. Okay. So on the 1-hour, this is what we're expecting. USD JPY. USD JPY. We are going for a buy. This is it. We are going for a buy. 100 pips, take profit, 100 pips stop loss. So what are the prices? Let's just put them there and then we are good to go. So the TP here, TP is going to be 135.828. So this is our TP. Our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be 133.813. So this is going to be our stop loss. So this is our stop loss. So what you're going to do is that when the market opens, I may not be specific to know exactly what point the market will open or the entry price. Sometimes the market may open with a gap, or it may open with a big spread. So you would have to wait for at least an hour or two for the market to close. Okay, for the market to close the gap. Once the gaps are closed, then you can pick your entry. So the entry will be at the price that or at the point that the market closed the spread. So that will be the entry or the point at which you will take the trade. So you can wait for an hour or 1 hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours before you input this trade. Okay. So this is the trade that I have for you for this week. This week, I wouldn't do more of the trades. If you want more of the trades or the signals, I want you to join the free channel, the free Telegram channel. I have a free Telegram channel. Go to the description of this video. You will see the link to join the Telegram channel. It's free. That is the free channel. I have the paid VIP channel, and then I have the free one. So join the free one. I do share signals over there in the course of the week. So join that also, so that once you get some of the signals on the channel, which is the YouTube channel, you can also be getting the rest on the Telegram channel. Is that okay? So that is that. So that is as simple as that. If you also want to join the VIP group for the signals, that is also there. We can talk and then we look at how to put you there. But this is it. We are done. All you need to do is put this on when the market opens. Put this on when the market opens, or maybe when you join the free Telegram channel, you may possibly have 1 or 2 more signals there to take. I also have the website. If you go to the website, leading Forex, leading signals only. So when you go there too, I think the website link is also at the description of this video. When you go there too, you see the signals over there. So I have 3 areas you can find my signals. The Telegram channel, which is a free one, and then I also have the VIP one. That one is a paid one. So you can be part of the free channel, and then on YouTube here too, you get the free signals, and then on my website too, you get the free signals. So make sure you are part of these 3. The website link is at the description of this video. The Telegram link to join is also at the description of this video. And then to subscribe to this website to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more updates is also at the description of this video, or at the end of this video. At the end of this video, you see the button to like or subscribe to this YouTube channel. So please do that, and let's see what happens in the course of the week. Until then, I'll say bye for now.